What is Medicare Advantage? Well, it's private insurance that you will get through a private insurance company. You still have to enroll in Medicare A and B. You still have to pay for your Part B. Medicare Advantage is famous for having low to no monthly premium. And a lot of people have heard about that. They're not yet ready for Medicare and they're like, I've heard that it's free. It's not free. You still pay for Medicare Part B, which in 2026 will cost the average person $206.50 a month. So you pay for Part B, and then you have a plan that might have zero monthly premium. It's not free because it still has copays, co-insurances, things that you have to pay when you get service. So you might not pay a fixed monthly cost up front, but you'll pay if you see a doctor. If you go to a specialist, you'll pay more. If you go to the ER, if you call an ambulance, if you get a surgery. So there's a smorgasbord of copays that you will pay. Every plan is different. There's over 5,000 different plans. So if your sister calls you from Oklahoma and she's like, this plan is so great, you should go get this plan. Don't call the Medicare Family and say, I want this plan, because it will not be available in your county, in your state. Even if it's from the same insurance company, they file 5,000 different plans. They're all slightly different, even if it's from the same insurance company. So what you're eligible to enroll in is based on your zip code, your county of legal residence. And if you're a snowbird, don't ask me where you're a legal resident. If you spend 6 months here and 6 months in Florida, you have to tell me where you're telling Medicare, where you're telling Social Security is your county of legal residence. And if you're saying it's here in Ohio, that's the plans that we will look at and explain to you that you are eligible to enroll in, even if you spend 6 months in another county. So Medicare Advantage is private insurance. It's completely administered by a private insurance company. How can it be free? Remember I said it's not free. How can it be zero monthly premium? That is because when you enroll in Medicare Advantage, the government wipes their hands of you. They are not paying any more. They give the insurance company a check, and it's about $1,000 a month. It can be more if you're sicker. It can be more under certain circumstances, but it's about $1,000 a month. So they're going to give that company $12,000, $13,000, $14,000, $15,000. And then they have to take care of all your claims. If you have a heart transplant, they're on the hook for your $100,000 treatment. The government's not. The government paid the $15,000 and they're done. So the government's still in charge of Medicare Advantage. It's not willy-nilly. They still govern it. But each individual insurance company gets to decide how to build their plan, what copays and co-insurance they want to have. So they can make a lot of money if you are healthy. So if they get $15,000 a year and you see the doctor once a year, they can make a tremendous amount of money, and they have made tremendous amounts of money in the 20 years that Medicare Advantage has gone national. Right now, more than half of all people that are eligible for Medicare have chosen to enroll in Medicare Advantage. That just happened in 2025. It used to be they were all in Medicare Supplements, and then over the past 20 years, it got level there in 2024. And then in 2025, more people have gone on Medicare Advantage, and that will continue until most people are in a Medicare Advantage plan. Now, part of that is not because people want a Medicare Advantage plan. They want a Medicare Supplement plan. They can go to any doctor, any hospital. There's no red tape, prior authorization, delays, denials, but they can't afford it anymore. Medicare Supplements go up double-digit rate increases every year. So you can see if I took a 10, 20% rate increase every year for 5 years, I might not be able to afford a Medicare Supplement anymore, which is what is happening. So people are over here in Medicare Supplement and they're jumping to the Medicare Advantage side because they can't afford that high fixed monthly premium. And they're very attracted to not just the low to zero monthly premium. They're attracted to the extra benefits that Medicare Advantage is required to offer by law. The government says if you're a Medicare Advantage plan, you got to offer some stuff that's not available in government Medicare A and B. And they get to choose what stuff, but they typically have some type of dental benefit. Government Medicare A and B, a Medicare Supplement, doesn't offer any dental, zero. So most Medicare Advantage plans will offer something. They don't all, but most offer 2 cleanings a year, maybe extractions. You have to go to their network of dentists. Some offer annual eye exam, which government Medicare doesn't offer. Some offer transportation to and from the doctor, the pharmacy. Some give you money for groceries, for rents, for utilities. Some give you meals after you've had a surgery. They'll bring frozen prepaid meals for you. So Medicare Advantage is very famous for all these extras. And you've seen those ads on TV. You've seen those postcards and letters because they aggressively market anybody turning 65 or older about their Medicare Advantage extras. Now, if you see something about some amazing extras, it doesn't mean that it's a scam, but it doesn't mean that it's available in your county. You can only buy a Medicare Advantage plan based on the county that you live in. Like I said, your primary legal residence. Now, if you buy a Medicare Advantage plan and you love it and it's amazing, expect it to change because you only buy a plan for 1 year. And that plan will change each and every year. Every September, they send you an annual notice of change letter telling you, hey, Sylvia, this is what your plan is going to look like for next year. If you're happy with it, do nothing. You'll get a new ID card, a new policy for the next year. If you're not happy, during the fall, October 15th through December 7th, that's when you will find a new plan. And that's what we help thousands of people with every year, change into a new plan because they found out their plan was not going to be as good as it was. If you want to go into more detail, go to Amazon, type in Medicare Mama, M-A-M-A. You don't need the whole long title. And I have a 360-page workbook to go into way more detail, not just about Medicare Advantage, but about Medicare Supplements, other options, Medicare in general, and half the book's about Social Security and retirement. So let's go back to Medicare Advantage. Low to no monthly premium. You still pay for Part B. You'll pay copays to see doctors and hospitals in your network. The most popular Medicare Advantage plan is an HMO plan. The letters don't mean anything. HMO plans have a smaller network of doctors and hospitals, so you want to make sure your doctors and your hospitals are accepted by your plan. But this is where it gets tricky. When you work with us at the Medicare Family, we will ask you for a list of your doctors, your specialists, your drugs, and then we will say, okay, these 3 plans are acceptable. Then we'll talk to you about the different benefits and help you choose which plan to enroll in. Our help to you is free. They pay us for helping you. They all pay us about the same. You don't save money by calling them directly. So we're gonna help you narrow this down. And you're gonna go, I want this plan. Okay. Now your plan will start, and a month later they could say, oh yeah, we don't really want to do that anymore. They could stop covering your drug. They could say your drug is now costing more than what you bought. And this is the real kicker. They can say your doctor is no longer associated with this plan. You can go to your doctor, but you have to pay your doctor's full cost. If you want to get the copay and have it count towards your out-of-pocket maximum in your Medicare Advantage plan, you need to switch doctors. So you got to be really flexible on a Medicare Advantage plan. Because even though we did all the work, we typed in your doctors and your hospitals, and they said, yes, we accept these doctors in this plan, they can change it. Hospital and doctor networks are always changing. I mean, let's not say always. They change. If it changes in your area, it's quite traumatic because a lot of people don't want to switch doctors. I've been to my doctor for 20 years. They don't want to drive to a hospital that is farther away. But with Medicare Advantage, I always tell people, you got to be flexible. I used to put my foot behind my head, which I can barely do, but I can almost do. Say, you got to be flexible. If you're not flexible, if you can't weather the changes, it's probably not a good plan for you. Go with the Medicare Supplement, even though it costs more. Because when you buy a Medicare Supplement, the benefits are never going to change by law. They can't change. The only thing that can change is your price will go up each and every year, double digits. But your benefits will not change. With a Medicare Supplement, if you want dental, go buy a dental plan. If you want vision, buy vision. If you want cancer, go buy it. Medicare Advantage is famous because it's putting it all in there. It has your drug benefit built in at no extra premium, and it has these extras that are very attractive. But the extras change. They change from year to year. So Medicare Advantage is private insurance administered through a private insurance company. You will not get it through the government. You have to go through someone like our family, private independent insurance brokers, or call the insurance company directly, but you'd have to call 50 different insurance companies. You can call us and we can use our software and talk to you about 50 different plans. And most people in most metropolitan areas, they do have a choice of around 50 plans. So it's a lot to do. You wouldn't want to call 50 companies. Call an independent broker. You don't pay for us. They pay us. And we can talk to you about what's available. Our track record working with these companies, I've been doing this for 30 years. And what we see looking deeper into the benefits to help you choose the plan that you want to enroll in. And then know, after we enroll you, our client care team is here to answer your questions for the rest of your life. You can send them to hello@the Medicare Family. You can talk to our client care team if you want to compare plans, add other coverages, change plans. They'll be here to help you. We're not just an enrollment company. We're here to help you with Medicare, Medicare Advantage for the rest of your life. If you learned something, please follow me. Please subscribe to our channel, and I will inch you closer to understanding this crazy world of Medicare. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.